Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Friends, Aurobindo Pharma Limited Unit 7 Jedcharla, they are hiring for the following departments: quality assurance, QMS or validation and packaging, that is blister, primary and secondary packaging. I think you all are aware of those primary and secondary packagings, and positions available for executive or senior executive. So I have said about the departments, and now the positions are executive or senior executive. The qualification they are looking for is for quality assurance B Pharmacy or M Pharmacy or B Tech, for packaging B Pharm, M Pharm or MSc. The required experience, that is you must have minimum of 3 years experience in order to get into this job role. And if you are interested, you can send your resume to the CVs to the mail ID which is mentioned here in the brochure, and can be considered only formulation experience with regulatory exposure. So friends, they are looking only for candidates with formulation experience with regulatory exposure in US FDA and MHRA. Thank you for watching friends. For more regular job updates, subscribe to our channel and also click that notification bell icon so that the video will be directly appear in your front page of your YouTube. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.